Heavy rains and floods have caused havoc in Azad Kashmir. Property and infrastructure has been destroyed and hundreds of civilians were killed and many have become homeless. Militant leaders based in Pakistan, including Lashkar-e-Taiba chief Hafiz Saeed, reached the affected areas to take advantage of the flood situation to lure youths rendered shelterless by the recent floods. They instigate them to join militancy and wage a jihad. The situation in Azad Kashmir arises as the government has failed to make proper arrangements for the relief and rehabilitation of flood victims.
हमें ना गवर्नमेंट पूछती है ना कोई चीज़ पूछती है और हमारे नाम भी काटे गए हैं भाई आप लोग सैलाब मुतासरीन है ही नहीं अगर हम नहीं है मुस्तहिक बिल्कुल हमें बांधे दरिया में फेंके अगर मुस्तहिक है तो हमें अपना हक क्यों नहीं देते
Azad Kashmir has faced major calamities in the past. The government and authorities have failed to rebuild their lives. A 7.6 magnitude earthquake killed thousands and destroyed infrastructure in the region on October 8, 2005. The people of Azad Kashmir have not yet recovered from the earthquake and now the floods have ruined their lives.
और पूरा लोग इलाका पुल ब्रिजेस हर चीज़ तबाह हो गई है और लोग खुले आसमान पहले 2005 का जो ज़लज़ला था उसके मुतासरीन ही अभी तक उनको घर नहीं मिले अभी तक हमारे जो स्कूल थे वो तामीर नहीं हुआ अभी तक सड़कों का राब्ता नहीं बहाल हुआ 2005 की के जो अर्थक्वेक विक्टिम्स थे और अभी इस फ्लड से तो लोग वापस पत्थर के दौर में चले गए.
Meanwhile, Pakistan is planning to set up hydropower projects in the area with US assistance. Since Azad Kashmir is being illegally occupied by Pakistan, any infrastructure project coming up in the area is deemed illegal. Without caring much about the flood victims of Azad Kashmir, Pakistan and its funded militant outfits are taking advantage of the crisis.